Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making the viral Mickey donut, the round fluffy Mickey donut. So on my bowl, I'm going to be adding 500 gram of flour. I'll add in 90 gram of sugar. Then I'll add in 1 tablespoon of yeast, which give me 14 gram. So I'll add in a little bit of vanilla flavor, which is like half teaspoon. I'm going to be using 1.5 cup of water. Just normal room temperature water. If you want to use warm water, you can, but I'm using normal room temperature water. So I'll add in 1 egg. Then mix everything together till you get a dough. Today I'm going to be showing you one trick that you can use to knead your dough instead of your hand if you don't have a standing mixer. So I'm using 1 tablespoon butter. I'll use some and keep some for the trick. If you want to know what the trick is, continue. It's going to get messy here because of the butter, but everything is going to come together. So here is our trick. I'm using mortar and pestle to knead this dough. So I use the remaining butter to rub in the mortar and the pestle. So put in the dough there and pound it very well. This will give you a very round shape donut. It will knead as if you use your mixer. Just pound the way you used to pound your pounded yam. This will take you like 10 minutes, unlike when you're using your hand to knead. So we are going to check it if it is well knead. You can see how stretchy it is and it's see-through. That means our dough is ready. See how bouncy it is. For you to get that round shape, for you to get that white line, you have to knead your dough very well. Knead it. If you are using hand to knead it for 30 minutes with your hand. But because I use this mortar and pestle, you need like 10 to 15 minutes to do that. Pound it very well and turn it. You see how stretchy your dough is. So it's time for us to cut it into balls. This is my parchment paper. I'll add in flour. This flour is to prevent it not to stick when we are about to fry it. I'll be using my scale to cut it. I'm cutting 80 gram each. That is 80 gram. I'm going to cut everything 80 gram each because we want equal donuts. Then when I'm done cutting, this is how I'll roll it into a ball. I put some little bit of flour in my palm so that it will not stick to my palm. Then stretch it out and bring everything in. You can see the way I'm wrapping it. You see the way I'm bringing everything together. So you pinch it together. Turn it to your palm and use your hand to roll it well. And see. Tap it to the floor to make it seal. If you didn't seal it well, when you are frying it, it can open. So we don't want that. You have to allow it to seal very well. So I'll continue with that process until I'm done with all the doughs. If you have been doing donut and you're not getting that white line, the problem is when your donut is not floating on top of the oil, you cannot get that white line. So you have to knead your donut very well. Cut it and stretch it. When you see that see-through, the elastic is very stretchy. You know that your donut is well kneaded. If it is not kneaded very well, you cannot get that white line. So here they are. I'll cover it and allow it to proof for 40 to 45 minutes. And here we are. It is well proof and we are ready to fry. I've already heat my oil. Please don't allow your oil to over hot so that it will burn through. You can see how floaty it is on top. It's not sinking down. It's very floaty. Make sure you get the recipe right and you are good to go. When you get the recipe right and you knead it very well, everything will come out nice. If you have watched to this extent and you have not liked this video, please kindly hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. So you can see how fresh, clean it is. See the white line there. I want you to try this out and let me know in the comment section if you get it. If you try it out with this same measurement and all the instruction you follow it, you are going to get it right this time. Just try it and let me know. So here is all the donut I got from that 500 gram. So let's make the filling, the Milky filling. So I'm going to be using powdered milk, whipped cream and condensed milk. You can as well use only powdered milk and condensed milk, but I'm going to be using this three. This is the whipped cream powdered I'm using. It is very easy and simple. Mix everything together. If you want it too sugary, very sweet, just leave whipped cream out of it and add enough condensed milk. But this is the best Milky filling I've ever done. I love this and customer is going to love it so much. You know, this is the viral thing. This is what is happening now everywhere, Milky donuts. So guys, try it out and make your money too. You can see the consistency. We don't want it too watery and we don't want it too thick. So it's time to make our Milky donut. This is powdered milk. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. So our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking on my video. And to our new subscriber, thank you, and you are welcome to Unique Digital Space. So this is how we are going to be putting our filling. So it is very easy, very simple. The only stressful part is the kneading. So you can see the inside. See how dripping it is. Some customer want it dripping, while some customer want it very mild. So the satisfaction of your customer should be your priority in whatever business you are doing. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you all. Please share my video. See you all in my next one. Bye.